Greetings to all. In last video we have discussed about a static and dynamic type of discrete time system, and with that now in this video we are going to discuss about another type of discrete time system, that is time invariant or time variant system. So for any system, if you want to check the time variance and time invariance in a system, we have to check these two conditions. For any system, first we have to apply a delay in an input. So we will be having an analog input, that is x of t, and we have to delay that input by k units. Delaying in the sense we have to substitute the value of x of t as x of t minus k. Delay in the sense minus sign. Okay, and you are going to delay only the input. Okay, not the t value. We are going to delay only the input value by k units. And second one, you have to replace the time by means of t minus k. The first one is we are delaying the input, the second one we are delaying the time. Okay, and now we have to check the condition for these two equations, and if you are having both are equal, then we can say we are the system is invariant with respect to time, or else we can say that system as a time variant system. Now we'll see the numerical problems for understanding linear time variant as well as time invariant behavior of a system. And now we'll see the problem. Y of t is having t times of x of t. So okay, now the very first thing is we have to delay the input by k units, right? And here the input is x of t, and you have to delay this input alone. So the equation will become t times of x of t minus k. The first one is delay in input, so we have delayed the input, that is x of t will become x of t minus k. That is equation number 1. The second one, we have to delay the time of the system. The time is t, and x of t is also a t. Okay, and if you are going to delay the t by t minus k, it will become t minus k into x of t minus k. That is equation number 2. Now we have to check the equality in these two equations, and this in which we are not having a t minus k in equation number 1, and whereas here we are not having t. Instead of t we are having t minus k. So both these equations are not equal. So we can say this is a time variant system.